Are you tired of juggling multiple devices just to stay productive on the go? Imagine having a single, ultra-secure, AI-powered laptop that adapts to your every need, whether you're drafting a report, presenting to clients, or collaborating in a brainstorming session. The HP Elite X360 1040 G11 isn't just another business laptop. It's a game-changer designed for the modern professional who demands performance, versatility, and peace of mind. But with so many options flooding the market, how do you know this is the right choice? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the pain points. Business users need a machine that's lightweight enough to carry all day, but powerful enough to handle demanding tasks. They need a display that's crisp and vibrant for presentations, a battery that lasts through back-to-back meetings, and security features that protect sensitive data. Oh, and did we mention it should also be eco-friendly? The Elite X360 1040 G11 checks all these boxes and more. Now, let's talk first impressions. From the moment you unbox this laptop, you'll notice the premium build quality. The magnesium aluminum chassis feels solid, yet surprisingly light, weighing in at just 2.95 pounds. The 14-inch 8K QHD Plus OLED display is a standout, delivering stunning contrast and vibrant colors with a 90 Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth scrolling. Whether you're editing photos, watching videos, or reviewing spreadsheets, the visuals are crisp and immersive. The 360-degree hinge is a game-changer, allowing you to switch between laptop, tablet, tint, and presentation modes effortlessly. Need to sketch out an idea? The included HP stylus makes it feel like you're writing on paper. And with the IR webcam and Windows Hello facial recognition, logging in is as simple as looking at the screen. Let's dive deeper into the features that set this laptop apart. At its core, the Elite X360 1040 G11 is powered by the Intel Ultra 7155H processor, a beast of a chip that delivers blazing fast performance for multitasking, video editing, and even light AI workloads. Paired with 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD, this machine handles everything from complex Excel sheets to virtual meetings with ease. The SSD is lightning fast, ensuring quick boot times and seamless file transfers. Security is a top priority for business users, and HP doesn't disappoint. The laptop comes with Intel V Pro, a suite of hardware-based security features that protect against firmware attacks, unauthorized access, and data breaches. Add in HP's Sure View Reflect privacy screen and a fingerprint reader, and you've got a fortress for your sensitive information. AI is woven into the fabric of this laptop. HP's AI-powered features dynamically adjust power, audio, and video settings based on your usage patterns. For example, if you're in a dimly lit room, the AI can dim the screen brightness automatically to save battery. Or, if you're on a video call, it can optimize the microphone and camera settings for the best possible experience. It's like having a personal assistant built right into your laptop. Now, let's talk real-world testing. I put this laptop through its paces with a mix of productivity tasks, creative work, and multimedia consumption. For starters, the performance is exceptional. The Ultra 7155H handled 20-plus Chrome tabs, a Zoom call, and a large Excel file simultaneously without breaking a sweat. The OLED display made editing photos in Lightroom a joy, with colors popping and blacks appearing truly black. Battery life is another highlight. HP claims up to 14 hours, and in my testing I got around 12 hours of mixed usage, web browsing, document editing, and light video playback. That's more than enough to get you through a full workday without needing to plug in. The fast charging feature is a lifesaver too. You can get up to 50% battery in just 30 minutes. The keyboard is a dream to type on, with excellent key travel and backlighting that adjusts automatically based on ambient light. The touchpad is large and responsive, supporting Windows precision gestures for intuitive navigation. And speaking of navigation, the IR webcam and Windows Hello make logging in a breeze. No more typing passwords. Of course, no product is perfect. The Elite X360 1040 G11 isn't cheap, and its premium price tag reflects that. It's also a bit heavier than some Ultrabooks, though still manageable at under 3 pounds. The OLED display, while gorgeous, can suffer from burn-in if you leave static images on the screen for too long. And while the AI features are impressive, they're not as customizable as some might like. How does it stack up against the competition? Let's compare it to the Dell XPS 13 Plus and the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga. The XPS 13 Plus is sleeker and lighter, but it lacks the 360-degree hinge and OLED display options. The ThinkPad X1 Yoga is a strong contender with its legendary keyboard and durable build, but it doesn't offer the same level of AI integration or vPro security. The Elite X360 1040 G11 strikes a balance between performance, versatility, and security, making it the best choice for business users who need it all. So, who is this laptop for? If you're a professional who values performance, security, and versatility, the HP Elite X360 1040 G11 is a no-brainer. It's ideal for executives, creatives, and IT professionals who need a reliable machine that can keep up with their demanding workloads. Whether you're in the office, on a plane, or working from a cafe, this laptop adapts to your needs seamlessly. If you're ready to upgrade your productivity game, the HP Elite X360 1040 G11 is waiting for you. Click the link in the description to check out the latest pricing and availability. Trust me, once you go Elite, you'll never go back.